it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, special welcome. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make hot pepper paste. So guys, let's get started. For this hot pepper paste, I'll be using some red chili pepper, Thai pepper. This is the hottest pepper in my region. Some onions. This is 4 onions, this size. Using less onions because I do not want it to overshadow the hotness of the pepper. And lastly, some tap water to blend. The blending process is completed. At this point, I will allow the water to dry by covering it to avoid sneezing and coughing. In this next stage, I'll be using a tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of celery powder, a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of ginger powder, and lastly, a tablespoon of parsley powder. Pour in some oil. Add the parboiled pepper. The frying should be done on medium heat. Add spices. This is how it looks when the water is completely dry. Hot pepper paste is ready. Allow to cool before storage. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.